Can I see it, please? Wow, look at all the planets. And all right, cool. All right, let's open it. Oh, there's a sticky tape here.
I can take out the
And then you
sticky.
can do it.
I'll take it out.
Mm-hmm.
It's very hard to see. Oh, I can.
You got it? You do it from here. There you go.
Yeah. Whoa!
Nice. Nice.
What is this?
Says solar system planetarium.
Planetarium? That means nothing.
Let me just open it for you.
I can
Got
do
it?
it.
Got it? Yes. Okay.
We got a lot of stuff here.
Mm-hmm. Look at
We
this.
can also open this,
Look at the
Daddy.
brass.
We can also open this.
You can do that. Yes. Let's do that. You do that. I'll do this. Okay. Just do round and round like this.
Like round and round.
Mm-hmm.
Take it for one time. Yes.
Yeah, like that.
Round and round. I got one. I got two. You're getting
got
so
it?
many to me.
It's okay. You can do it.
This shop is. I don't love these.
Come on, you can do it.
Oh, I dropped one.
You dropped it. That's all right.
There's another one.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Here you go.
round and round.
I got it out.
It's very hard to spin this one. This one's very big.
Is it?
I did it. Oh.
Is that the one? I think yes. These two. I'm gonna go like that.
I'll try to spin it around.
There you go.
You don't need to spin it around for a long time. You just pop it when you need them when it's a little bit spin around.
Is it? Okay.
No. See?
Oh yeah, you're right.
I'm gonna use this one. This one is for here.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. From here.
This one and this one.
Oh. How do you
You got it?
connect it?
It's very hard. You have to press it very hard.
Oh. I haven't
Got it?
connected.
You have to press it really, really hard like
I don't know
this.
how to connect it very hard.
That's all right. I can do it.
I'm doing the earth because we can. Very hard to do the earth, Daddy.
Yeah, give it to me.
And also you got the paintings.
Mm-hmm. Colors. All the
Daddy,
colors in
this
there.
white thing is from nothing. This white thing is for nothing. It's very small, Daddy.
Is it?
And then
Is
this
it
one.
is it so small?
Yeah. See, Daddy? Look, Daddy. See, it's very small. And look
Oh.
at the paint. And look, Daddy. Look at these stuff.
Mm-hmm.
That's
Let me see. Oh, that one is for the planets. That one goes in here.
paint. And take this
That one
out.
goes in here on top of that. It goes like this.
We got mirror things.
See? And then goes here on top of that. Like that. And then you put the planets here.
Can we start our first planet?
Okay.
I'm
Alright.
gonna-
Which
I'm
one do you
gonna
want to start with?
This.
That's Jupiter. You want to start with Jupiter?
I want to start. No, Daddy. This is Jupiter.
Oh, that one's Sun. Sorry. Yes, you're
This
right.
sun.
Yes.
So I'm using yellow and orange.
Okay.
That
Wait,
one.
let me get the water first. Okay, I've got the water here.
This is. See us.
And let me open this for you.
Yellow. Oh, see.
And
No, not red, not red. This is
Orange?
red. Yeah, this is orange.
okay.
Yeah, that was the orange. Why now?
Okay, you can start doing it.
Okay, yay.
I
This
forgot
one-
something. I forgot the Saturn.
Saturn ring?
Yes, which one Saturn? Is it Saturn?
Yeah.
Okay.
But she fits.
Yes, it does. I need to pull this out first and then I'll do
I'm
it.
gonna make this sun first.
Okay.
Don't even work, Daddy. I have water in the wood.
Okay, I'm gonna put put Saturn in here now. Okay.
No, it's working.
Maybe put it in here, and then you can just color it on top
yeah.
of so you don't get it into your finger. There you go.
Okay.
There you go.
I think it looks like green now.
Yes, you can hold here. Yeah. Yes, Venus, Earth, Mars,
Jupiter,
Saturn,
Uranus,
Mhm.
Neptune.
Neptune, all together in there. Looks cool. I like it. Ren, do you like it? Which one's your favorite planet?
My favorite planet is Saturn.
Saturn. Is it because of the ring?
Yeah, because it's a ring.
And my one is Mars. I like Mars
Why I love Mars for?
because it's a red planet. See, it's cool, nice and
Why I
red.
love Mars for, Daddy?
Because it's red. I like red color.
Yeah, but what's your favorite color?
My favorite color is red
Yeah,
and blue, and maybe Neptune as well. It's my favorite color.
It's actually blue. Guess what? My favorite color is actually yellow
And
purple.
And purple.
And also
So that means your favorite planet is Jupiter.
no.
Oh yes, Saturn as well. Saturn has yellow over there on the ring.
Yeah. Okay. I love Jupiter. My favorite is Jupiter.
Why is it Jupiter too big?
Yeah, because if Jupiter is way too big, I do love that. Or sun.
Oh, okay.
They're too big for me. And actually, just like it, just like me.
Oh yeah.
That's just size like me. Saturn's just like me.
Is it? Yeah. And Mercury is good as well. I like Mars. Mars is red.
Red and something.
And Neptune as well because it's
How
blue.
about this? This is blue.
That's sky blue. Sky blue. I don't like sky blue. I like dark blue.
Dark blue. Okay, I love this.
It's so nice. See, you can just move it around like that, like the real one, like the real planet.
The small one can actually move fast.
Yeah. And the small one is closer to the sun. So Mercury is closer to the sun.
Like this.
Like that.
Oh. What about
It's not dry yet. Just let it dry.
Bye bye. See you next time.